Hi, third graders. Our math lesson today is lesson 11.3. It's algebra, so fun. Find unknown side lengths. So our I can today is I can find the unknown length of a side of a polygon when you know its perimeter. So what's going to happen is I'm going to give you the perimeter and you are going to have to solve, oh, we got craziness, solve to find the unknown, okay? So this is actually kind of like fun. I want you to remember the phrase as, okay? As, like as if. As is gonna mean addition. So add, subtract. Add, subtract, as. As if, that's what you need to remember the whole time we're doing this, okay? So the phrase as if, add, subtract. All right, so watch me. Look at this first one right here. We have a story that goes with it. Are you ready? Chen has 27 feet of fencing to put around his garden. He has already used the lengths of the fencing shown. How much fencing does he have left for the last side? So we have 5 feet, 3 feet, 7 feet, 4 feet, N. N can be any letter. That is simply the unknown, and that's what makes it algebra. So what you're going to do is you are going to write the 5 from 5 feet. So we have this one right here, 5, 3. What's going to come next? 7, 4. Plus n is going to equal 27. But we don't know what n is. So remember, as if, add, subtract. We are going to add 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4. Well, we know that 7 and 3 make 10. And 5 and 4 make 9, so that is 19. So 19 plus n equals 27, but we don't know n. So we've added. So what are we going to do now? As if, add, now we subtract. So we are subtracting 27 minus 19. What is 27 plus 19? It is 8. So n equals 8. Now, if we added them and we put the 8 here and we said 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus n, so if we had 19 plus 8, it would give us our 27. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I have some more practices with you. I've turned my dining room into a classroom. Well, not really. I just have teaching posters and everything hung up everywhere. All right, let's move on to the next one. What's our phrase? As if. And what do we mean by this? That's right. Add, subtract. Add, subtract. Add, subtract. Add, subtract. All right. So the perimeter of this figure is 24 meters, okay? So watch what we do. We simply add them all up and subtract them all out. We're going to start here. 6 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus W equals 24 meters. All right, so I'm going to say 8, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21. 20, 20, 20, 20, 21. Okay, so we've added, now we subtract. We subtract 24, which is what the perimeter is, minus 21, which is what we added, and we get 3, so we know that W equals 3. So if we have 21 here, plus we add 3, it takes us to our perimeter of 21. Did you get it? Good job, guys. Moving on up. Ooh, look at this one has 2. P, 5 meters. P, 5 meters. Okay, so we need to figure out if the perimeter is, this is our story that goes with it. Are you ready? Lauren has a rectangular blanket. This is Lauren's rectangular blanket, okay? The perimeter is 28. Actually, it shouldn't be meters. That should be feet. And I put meters here, so I'm going to change it because, come on, we can't all be perfect. Okay, so 5 feet, P, 5 feet. These are the same lengths, so they have the same number. These are going to be the same length, so they're going to have the same number. But there's 2 instead of 1. So the total perimeter of this blanket is 28 feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to predict. We are going to check it, and then we are going to figure out, does it check or not? So let's try it out. So I'm going to predict it is 7 feet, okay? So on my chart here, I predict, P for predict equals 7 feet. So I'm going to say 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 equals what? Well, I know that 5 and 5 is 10, and 7 and 7 is 24. Does that work? Well, the perimeter is not 28 feet, so it's going to be a no. Okay, so let's try 8. Are you ready for 8? So 5, which is here, plus 8, plus 5 plus 8. Well, again, 5 and 5 is 10. 8 and 8 is 16. 16 plus 10 is 26. Our perimeter needs to be 28. So does that work? No. Let's try 9. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 equals 5 doubled is 10. 9 doubled is 18. 10 plus 18 is 28. Does it work? Y to the E to the yes. So I know that the perimeter should be 9 for both sides. Good job. Are we on a roll? Yes, we are. We're about to go to another page. Remember our phrase today. As if, add, subtract, subtract, add, subtract. Do you hear Bubba's pause? Because everywhere I go, he goes. Hi, Bubs. All right, guys, this is a square, and squares all have the same sides. Oh, this is fun. So all you have to do here is if the perimeter is 20, and there are 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Think in your head, 4 times what equals 20? 4 times 5 equals 20. So this is the same as saying 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5, 10, 15, 20. Bam, what? Drop the flow. Okay, let's go on to a new one. This one right here. Perimeter is 25. Okay? We need to find n. So we have 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus n equals 25 centimeters, okay? As if, add, subtract, add, subtract, okay? So we have 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 9 equals 18. Subtract 25 minus 18. 25 minus 18. What'd you get? 7, n is 7. All right, now we've got another double. Double. So we have L plus 7 meters plus L plus 7 meters. The perimeter is 34 meters. Well, what is L? How many meters? Well, let's see. This is what's hard, okay? This is where you have to really think about it because you have to have 2 here, okay? So let's see. 7 plus 7 plus L equals 34 meters. Well, I know that 7 doubled is 14, okay? So I added. Now I have to subtract. So we have 34 minus 14 is 20. But let's wait. We cannot just say that this L equals 20 because whatever this L equals, this L has to equal. So watch. If I say 20 plus 20 plus 14, that's 54. That is not 34. What are we going to do? We only have 20 to work with. So we have to divide that in 2. What times 2 is 20? You're right, 10. So this L is going to have to equal 10, and this L is going to have to equal 10. So watch this. We have 14 plus 10 equals 10 doubled is 20, plus 14 is 34. 34. 30, 30, 30, 30, 34. All right, guys. Now we are on to perimeter of a square. All 4 sides equal the same thing because a square is all 4 sides. Now watch this. It has to be R plus R plus R plus R equals 12. 4 times R equals 12. What's it going to be? 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. So we know that R equals 3. Good job, guys. Is that our last one today? It is. All right, so now what I want you to do is I want you to remember the phrase as if, and I want you to get on to Think Central right now, and I want you to complete 11.3. If you need more practice, there are more instructions available on Think Central. Have a great day.